Since 2019, Southwire has signaled its commitment to the success and growth of women throughout the manufacturing industry by partnering with the Women in Manufacturing Association through continuously supporting, inspiring, and creating new opportunities for women in this field. Southwire actively participates in the WIM Association Board, Education Foundation Board, and is involved in WIM's DEI Task Force. Southwire has also sponsored and participated in the annual WIM Summit and Moms in Manufacturing event series. We're also proud to have graduated 19 team members from the Empowering Women in Production program. Through our partnership with WIM, we have also had the opportunity to work with organizations like Nestle, which is a women-owned, health-based furniture company designed to provide supportive, safe, and sanitary spaces for breastfeeding mothers at work. Southwire has announced a partnership with Nestle to standardize its dedicated spaces for nursing mothers across our company by the end of 2024. At Southwire, we power progress. Our commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion is essential to our strategic plan to create generational sustainability and continued growth in our industry.